Hi guys, if you are facing the issue of File Explorer not showing thumbnail on Windows 11 like this, you can see it is not showing the thumbnail, only the icon. Then let's see how to fix it. So to fix this issue, first of all click on this three dot icon and then click on options. Now here you will be able to see the folder option. Here you have to go to view tab here, and then under the advanced settings you will see this option, always show icon, never thumbnail. You have to simply uncheck it, and once you uncheck it, click on apply and then OK, and now you can see the File Explorer is showing thumbnail and not the icon. So that's it guys, this is how you can easily fix File Explorer not showing thumbnail on Windows 11. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.